Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I just want to say a little thing concerning what holds a lot of people down today. And that thing is nothing more than just two things: procrastination. Procrastination and indecision. There are so many people today that they want to move ahead in their lives, but because of procrastination, they could not be able to take action. Apart from that, a lot of people will tell you that, oh, that what I have seen is actually good. I will actually do that thing. I will do it. I will do it end of the month. I will do it the next 1 week. I will do it next week. Some will even tell you that I will do it as soon as my children go back to school. I will do it when I pay my children's school fees. I will do it when I pay my house rent. These are a lot of procrastinations elements that people give to you when you show them something that they need to actually do. But I just want to say something here. Do you know that, yes, things that you need money to do will never finish. If you have 1 million today, you have a problem of 1.5 million or 2 million naira. If you have 500,000 naira today, you have a problem to solve of what? Of 1 million. As a result of that, problem doesn't finish. What you need money for does not finish. And that is why you need to set some money aside for you to take care of what you can actually do for yourself and also plan for your future. How can you plan for your future? You plan for your future with what you can use a little money you have to do to generate business for you that can actually give you what we call income, a future income. Then another thing that holds a lot of people down today is what we call indecision. Yes, there are so many people today, when they say something they want to take a decision, they will tell you that, oh, I want to go and consult my pastor, I want to go and consult my wife, I want to go and consult my husband, I want to go and consult my friends and the rest of them. Okay? Now, I want to say something here. If you see a lot of people who are very successful today, when they see any opportunity, they don't consult anybody, they take their decision immediately. Because the person you want to go and consult did not actually see what you have seen. And what convinced you for you to do that thing, the person has not actually seen it. So if you're somebody that you don't take decision on your own, so many people will hold you down by you taking your good decision. And that is why I said indecision, it is what holds a lot of people down today. There are some things that you are planning to do for a long period of time, you can't do it because of what? Because of indecision. Don't be held down by indecision and procrastination. These two things kill dreams very, very fast. And that is why I want to tell all of us here that we need to begin to take action anytime we say things that we want to actually do. Now, what characterized my life from when I was very young is anything I see and I'm convinced about it, I don't seek for another opinion before I do it. Because I know everything about life is a risk. Either you fail or you succeed. When you fail, you learn from it, you move forward. And when you succeed, then you keep on moving ahead. But one thing I want to tell you is that don't put your faith in the hands of someone who don't know what you know about. And that is why indecision and procrastination has held a lot of people down today. So I want to advise us that indecision should not be part of your life if you really want to achieve your dreams in life on time. Thank you very much and good morning. These are just few pieces of advice that I have for you today after you have returned back from Salah break. God bless you and have a wonderful day ahead.